Hey guys, Bizarre back here, and this is just to play catch up on the 25 days of manga. So if you saw the video before, you know what's going on. If not, then go watch it. But I'm opening 3 gifts back to back from my really good friends, and it is going to be the Panda Post's turn to open her gift. I'm super excited. I actually thought I was ripping it when I opened it. But there's a book down inside, I feel, so thank God I did not ruin it. But she said that she got this off my wish list. In one of my videos early on in the 25 days, I made like a wish list of books that I wanted, and she said that she got one for me on it. So I have no idea what it is. I would try to think, but I don't know, so I'm excited. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, Hudson, he loves being by the window, like he pushes the curtain up and sits there for hours. This is freaking awesome. This fills in a gap for me, for sure. Now I can finish the complete thing. I have 1 through 12 and then 14. And thank you so much, the Panda Post, Dani, for this gift. Kiss him, not me. Volume 13, so complete. I love complete, so thank you so much. Now I can move it to my completed shelf. If you all don't know, I highly recommend this, and my friend Jesse's calling me. I highly recommend this. It's pretty much this chick right here. She doesn't really want attention from guys. She is obsessed with guy on guy, and is this still recording, even though she's calling me? I think it is. It's still going. Anyways, and then so she ships these guys, but all these guys are like obsessed with her. So, yeah. It's weird that it's still going, because before when someone called me, it shut off. Kind of weird. Anyways, thank you so much, Dani, the Panda Post. I'll link her channel below. Go check her out. What an awesome gift. I'm so excited. I also love like completing the series too. And that it was like an annoying gap because I had 14 and 12, you know. Anyways, you know me so well. So glad we're friends, and like I said previously, I'm making a video talking about everyone. So yeah, thank you so much, and it's awesome, and I love it. So, and next up is Lindsay Tutt's gift. So I'm going to stop the video now and open that in the next video.